Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamaica Soul Food Cooking. Now, today I'm just going to season up the chicken. I went ahead and washed it with some vinegar, lemon and some salt. Okay, so at this point we're just going to season it up because we're going to do in Jamaica Fricasse chicken. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I already went ahead and cut up all the seasoning to put in the chicken. So now I'm going to put all of the seasoning in there. First we have thyme, we have some potatoes, some sweet peppers, onions, tomato, scallions, and rub all of them on it now. Rub everything together. So today I have a glove, so I'm going to use the gloves to incorporate everything in it. Okay. So now we're going to put the powder seasoning inside of the chicken, on the chicken. So now first we got to put some black pepper. Put about a tablespoon of black pepper. Then we're going in some all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon of all-purpose. And we're going in with some paprika, about a tablespoon of paprika. And we're going in with some salt. Teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna put, just to get it a little flavor, we're gonna put some extra chili powder on it. You can just put about a teaspoon because it's hot, just to give it that flavor. You can put anything on it to your delight, any seasoning to your delight, but I just put in some of the extra chili to give it that chili flavor, that heat, that extra heat on it. Okay, now we're gonna put some pimento. Put about 7 cloves of pimento on it. First we're gonna wash our pimento. About 7 cloves. We're gonna wash our pimento, and then I'm just beat it up a little to put it in it, to give it all that extra taste. So now we're going to rub everything in it nice. So at this point, if you want, you can put a little tip of browning on it, but I'm not going to put any browning now. When I'm putting it down, I will put some browning on it, okay? Because I already put in a paprika on it at this moment. Remember, we're doing together with chicken, so we're going to fry the chicken first and then we're going to cook it down. Okay, so I'm not going to put any browning on it. When I'm doing the Fricasse chicken, I don't put browning on it. I just put these seasoning on it, paprika, seasoning, salt, and whatever seasoning you have to your delight. So at this point, we're already rubbing the seasoning. Everything is incorporated in it. So now I'm going to throw away the glove. You don't need this glove. Whenever you use the glove, you must remember to throw it away. You can't use it. Okay, so we're going to cover that down. Put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Put it in a fire paper or pencil. Or if you want to put it in a plastic bag, a sealed plastic bag. Put it in the fridge and chop all that seasoning in it. And tomorrow now, we're going to just take it out and do it. And I'll show you how to do it, okay? So, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow to show you the finishing product. Take care now. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jamaica Soul Food Cooking. Hope everyone is okay and feeling good. Okay, I'm gonna just make some fricasse chicken. Remember yesterday we went ahead and seasoned up the chicken, so now I'm gonna show you how to cook it. But first we're cooking some rice and peas. So I went ahead and blend coconut milk, so I'm gonna put it in rice and peas. Okay, so that's in nicely. So we're going to strain the trash out, strain it out, and then we're going to put it aside. So I'll be coming back to show you how we're going to cook our fricasse chicken. Okay, now family, we're back. Remember yesterday we went ahead and seasoned up our chicken. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the pot to fry. That's how you're going to do the fricasse chicken. You have to fry it first, and then after you fry it, you're going to cook it down. Okay, so first you have to take the seasoning off. Take the seasoning off first. Take the seasoning off, then you will put it in the pot. At this point now you have to be careful with the oil, because the oil is very hot. You have to make the oil very hot. And then you put the chicken in the pot, take the seasoning off. Just put them in the pot to fry. Then put about 5 pieces or how many pieces the pot can go. Put it in there. Leave it to fry, and when one side is fried, we turn over and fry the other side. Okay, so over here now we're cooking some baked potatoes, baked potato salad. So you just put the potatoes already in the pot, so it's boiling. Okay, so we're going to leave the chicken to fry for a while, and then we're going to come back and turn it on the other side. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now family, we are back, and the chicken, we just turn it on one side now, so it's fried. So we're going to take it out, put it over there in the plate. So this is the color we want it to be, that color. So take these blocks out. Take them out. This is the color. And you want to put some more in the pot now. Same way we did before. Take the seasoning off and put them in the pot. Okay. Okay, take the seasoning off first, and put it in the pot to fry. And make sure the oil is very hot. The oil is hot, 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 hot. Make sure the oil is very hot. Okay? So put this chicken in the pot and leave them to fry. Make sure the oil is hot. At this point, We're gonna leave those to fry off. When they fry off, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cook it down. Okay, I'll see you back in a few minutes. Welcome back, family. Over here, we finished cooking our rice and peas. It's steaming down now. Not quite finished yet, so we're gonna leave it. At this point, we're taking out all these sticks. All the scallions. We're going to leave it to steam down now. And we're going to turn the fire on. Turn the fire down a little. And leave it to steam. Not too cook yet. So over here, we're frying out the chicken. All the chicken is frying out now. Okay. So we're coming back to show you how to finish cook it down. See you in a minute. Okay, now everyone, we're back. We finished frying off all the chicken. So this oil now, we're not going to use it to cook down the chicken. Okay, we're going to put this aside. This oil, we don't use this oil to cook it down. Okay. So now we're going to get the pot. And then we're going to put all the seasoning in the pot. All this seasoning, marinade from overnight in the chicken. We're going to use this to cook it down. Okay. So all we're going to do now, we're going to put some hot water in this. And then we're going to wash it out, put it in the pot. Okay. We're going to wash all that seasoning out. Very nicely. Take your time, wash it all, put all of it in the pot. Okay. Then now, turn the fire back on. At this point now, all we gotta do, gotta put a little tip of salt, about a teaspoon of salt in it. Then we're going to put a little bit of black pepper. Then we're going to stir that around a little. Then we put some ketchup. Can put a little ketchup in it. And now we're going to make the gravy for the chicken, okay? Before we put the chicken in, we have to make the gravy cook a little. Then we're going to put the chicken in. We're not going to put it straight away. We just make it cook for a few minutes before we put the chicken in it. Okay? So now, I'm going to put a little bit more water. Okay? Remember, we're making the gravy. So we have to put sufficient water for the chicken to go in. So we're going to cover it down. Leave it to cook a little for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to put the chicken in the pot and finish cooking it down. Okay, so I'll be coming back to show you in a few minutes. Okay. Okay, now family, we're back. Now we're going to put all the chicken in the pot. See, take your time and just put it in the pot. Because it's already started cooking, so we gotta put it in the pot. Throw all of it in the pot. Put that aside. So now I'm gonna get a spoon. Then I'm gonna stir it up. All the seasoning at the bottom, we're gonna stir it up. Bring it to the top to cover the chicken, that the chicken gets cooked properly. All that gravy up to the top. And we stir it up just a little. Okay, isn't that looking beautiful now? All that color is coming up. So now, what you're gonna do, just gonna put a little bit more water, boiling water. Remember, a little bit, about a teaspoon. Okay. Give it some color. Okay. That's it. That's enough. Then we're gonna go in with a little bit of browning sauce, about a tablespoon. That's enough. Then I'm gonna stir it up. At this point, you can taste to see if it needs anything else. Oh, it's very delicious. All you need to put in it now is some butter. You gotta cook it with butter, not cooking oil, butter. So we're gonna put some butter in it. About a tablespoon of butter to cook it down. Okay, see? It's gonna be cooked down nicely now. So at this point, we're gonna leave it to cook. Close the pot and leave it to cook now. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to cook for about another half an hour. Then we're gonna come back to see the finished product. So over here we have the rice and peas. It's already cooked, shelly and nice. So we're gonna turn the fire off now. Testing it to see it's cooked. Oh, that's very nice. It's cooked. The peas is very shelly. The rice comes up shelly. See, that's how you want it to cook. So now we're gonna turn the fire off. Okay, we're gonna turn the fire off and put it there. Then we're gonna come back, show you the finishing product in just a minute. Okay? Okay, now family, we are back. I'm just gonna show you how to do the potato salad. We went ahead and boiled the potato